Welcome to our channel One to Step, and in today's video I'll teach you how you guys can find promo code for Lululemon, and it's pretty simple. Follow the steps. Before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe button. Let's move on. So the first step for finding Lululemon promo code is you want to go to coupon follow. Now once you search for coupon follow, the first option, click on it. Now once you're in the official website of couponfollow.com, where it says search, you want to click on search and you want to write Lululemon. So I'm going to write Lulumon and Lululemon, and it should show you lululemon.com. Once you see it, click on it. Once you click on it, it'll show you all the promo codes available for Lululemon. Now choose the one which you like. Let's say I want to get this free shipping one. What I can do is just click on get free shipping, and then it's going to show me the promo code. And what I can do is just click on copy it, and during my checkout time in Lululemon, I can paste this promo code and I will get 40% off on Lululemon as well as get free shipping, because this is what the promo code stands for. So that's how we guys can find Lululemon promo code. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time.